Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to give you a free side hustle that you can start today. Alright, within the next 10 minutes after watching this video, you can be set up to start making $50 commissions over and over again. And keep in mind, guys, this is super easy and this money will go to your PayPal account. All right, so here's what you need to do. Right? Well, first, before I even say this, you do got to put in, it's just super easy, but you do got to put in just a little bit of effort. If you're willing to put in a little bit of effort, if you're watching this video, you should be, you're gonna make some money. All right, I just got introduced to this by one of my mentors a couple days ago. I just literally got signed up and I'm off to the races. Super excited about this opportunity. So you may have heard about getting paid to do offers and stuff like that, and I'm not a huge fan of that. But this company called Jungle Paradise, all right, it's kind of like a get paid to try, different offers and everything like that. But the cool thing about Jungle Paradise is it actually pays you $50 for referrals. That's right, $50 to get people to sign up for free, right, and complete an offer. All right, earn at least one credit. All right, so the cool thing is, like I just said, you only have to earn one credit with this website for you to be eligible to receive $50 commissions for every other person that joins the website, signs up and complete an offer. You're gonna get $50, right? It's that simple. So what a lot of people are doing, and what my mentor told me, was you need one credit, right, to be able to qualify to get commissions, right? One of the most popular offers on there is called Aspirations bank account, right? So basically all you need to do is set up a free bank account with this company and just fund it with $10. That's it. So you already got $10, just put it into account with this company. That's it, right? You're not buying anything, you're not spending any money at all. You're just opening up an account with this banking company. That's it, right? It's super simple. And as you see, I'll put it right here, bam, you see that I got approved. Congratulations, I got credited with Aspirations offer I completed, right? So now I'm off to the races getting $50 per referral. That's it. And for anybody to jump on decide to sign up with Jungle Paradise. Now guys, once you do this, you're good. And it took me like 5 minutes to set up that Aspirations account, like 5 minutes. Once you get going, you go back into your back office, you have an affiliate link, right? All you need to do is share that link. That's it. Share it. So you might be thinking, whoa, wait a minute, whoa, right? What I would do, start with like people you know. Why? Because first of all, everybody like easy money. Creating a bank account is super easy to do, right? And you can be helping people because, once again, it's just a bank account. You can have another debit card, another opportunity to have another account, put extra money in it, whatever, right? So it's super easy. So you can put on, Facebook, message people that you know that might be interested in earning $50 side hustle, because once they sign up and they get that one credit, that's it. Once they do that, then they can earn money, right? So even if worst case scenario, say you did one referral a week, just one person to sign up with Jungle Paradise and get one credit, that's an extra $200 a month, right? 2 people a week, $400 extra to your PayPal account. And this was one of them opportunities, guys, where you don't even have to be like a real internet marketing guru or nothing like that. I recommend starting with, like I said, people you know. You could, and post it on Facebook. Say, hey guys, who interested in making extra $50? Put it on Facebook and just put contact me if you're interested. Great side hustle. Anybody trying to, earn some extra money during this pandemic, say stuff like this on your Facebook page, and then put if interested, notify me, blah blah blah. That's just one way you could do it. You can literally do it word of mouth, right? You can even send out mass text messages to your friends and be like, "Hey guys, I got a crazy side hustle to earn $50." You can do that, guys. So imagine, you get 5 people this week. That's an extra $250 straight to your PayPal account, right? So, guys, you're looking for a side hustle. You can't get any easier than this. So all you need to do, right, is sign up with Jungle Paradise. Link in right below. You already know the deal. Sign up. When you sign up, go straight to the aspirations offer because you earn 1 credit. You don't have to do that offer. You don't have to. You just take a look at other offers, but you have to get a total of 1 credit before you're eligible to receive commissions. Right? It's that simple. Once you get your 1 credit, I would go with the aspirations account, but that's just me. Once you get that, you got your link and you're good. Go out there, promote it on Facebook, tell people you cool with, that's looking for a side hustle. Everybody looking for extra money right now. This is easy, free money to your PayPal account, guys. So I'm gonna do some more videos in the future about it. But yeah, it's very, very easy, guys. Sign up below, do the offer, and start getting those links out there and start making that money. It's that simple. If you got any questions, leave them below. I try to help you out any way I can. And I'll do some more videos, but go get that money. Till the next time. Peace.